Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. If you're brand new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you for so much for returning and for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. For today's video, I'm actually inviting everybody to this open collaboration that I am actually co-hosting with Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY and Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. If you haven't checked out Sonja's channel, she's got 3 channels. She has Domestic Diva DIY, Domestic Diva Home, and Domestic Diva Cooking. Make sure you check them out. She's super talented. She does lots of DIYs, furniture flips, Dollar Tree DIYs, all sorts of stuff on her DIY channel. Her home channel is more decorating, organizing, and then cooking is self-explanatory. Sandra is also a super talented lady at the Schwowin's Nest. She does all sorts of farmhouse themed DIYs and furniture flips. So if you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you check it out as well. I'll have both channels linked in my description below. So there are a few rules for this open collaboration. So first of all, it is a Christmas themed DIY or decor piece, and it's for your fireplace mantle. So what we want to do is either have you make something for your fireplace mantle or show us how you decorate your fireplace mantle, but it has to be a Christmas theme. Then the second rule is it has to be uploaded on November 16th at 3 p.m. Not sooner. It can be later, but not sooner. We will have the playlist linked in our videos when they go live. Then the other rule is that you have to be subscribed to all of our channels, and you have to mention the playlist in our channels in your video and in your description. So again, those are the rules. Just to kind of give you an idea. So basically you can make anything that you would like in a Christmas theme that you could display on your fireplace. You could make a DIY and display it on your, and show us how you decorate your mantle. So kind of do both, or one or the other. It doesn't matter. Very flexible. Just follow the rules that I mentioned below. I'll also have the rules linked in my video below. And that's it. And most important rule of all, have fun and get creative. So thank you so much. I really hope you can join us. Leave me a comment below letting me know if you'll join or not, if you're able to join us this time around. So again, November 16th at 3 p.m. Playlist will be linked for the creators in our description boxes. For those of us wanting to just join in and watch, the video will go live at 3 p.m. So I'm officially kicking off my Christmas season with my DIYs. So on Friday, make sure you check out my video. So that's tomorrow at 11 a.m. I will have a video where I do 3 Christmas themed DIYs. They are super cute and they are all Dollar Tree. So make sure you come back to my channel and check that out. Thank you so much. Have an excellent day. Stay safe. And thanks for watching.